Filipino chicken adobo. My favorite, the coconut milk version. Chicken thighs are my favorite for weeknight option, but they don't cook very even. We're going to solve that by scoring it along the bone, and we're going to keep the skin crispy by putting them onto a rack and seasoning them ahead into the fridge to dry out before supper. Now that that skin is dried out, it'll be easier to render, but you want to start in a cold pan. Skin side down on the burner, but not too high. We want to cook this 80% of the way from the skin up. This dish has got a lot of garlic. Once it's sizzling, add a few cloves to start infusing into the chicken. See? Totally worth it. Set the chicken aside, but don't get rid of that garlic oil. We're going to use it for fried rice. And yeah, it's got some garlic, but it's going to need some more. But remember to keep that pan on low. We want to continue to infuse that oil with garlic flavor for garlic fried rice. That garlic's golden brown, so we know that oil's got lots of flavor. Enough flavor to start frying that rice. You want to get it all coated first before you start frying it. Pat it down and let it fry. We want to get that garlic flavor everywhere. After a few minutes, give it a toss and do it again. Back to that chicken pan. Deglaze with vinegar. If you don't have the good stuff, use apple cider or regular distilled. Soy sauce. You always got to have soy sauce in adobo. And coconut milk. Although not always present in this recipe, we're using it. That looks great. We need black pepper, some chili. Add your chicken back in, but leave that skin up so it stays crispy. Any juices you might have, that's going to go in the oven to finish cooking. Once you start seeing those crispy fried edges, it's time to add the egg and season it up. We're good. Don't forget the black pepper though. Filipinos love black pepper. Can you blame them? Serve it with some of that fried rice, that coconut adobo sauce, and who doesn't want to eat that crispy skin? Green onion and cilantro, always.
Coconut cream garlic sauce. Holy shit. Oh,
Garlic.
this is fucking good.
That's not your average chicken adobo.
Oh my god, so good.